Alright, before we go outside and check our load, I got a lot of comments about where's the Hi Teresa sign. The wind blew it down. So, was when I rolled the windows down. So I'm going to stick it there, and I'll put a couple pieces of tape on it. A lot of people thought maybe I didn't like Teresa anymore because I took the sign down. Alright, we'll put it right there. No, what had happened, I rolled the window down with the going down the road, and the it blew off. Dorsey sign stays there pretty good. All right, good morning. I wanted to show you this before we get our day started. When we were over at the Walcott, Iowa at the world's largest truck stop, I bought these sunshades for the truck, and they're custom fit or custom cut to fit the truck. The only thing I had to do was, because I have so much equipment right here, I had to cut a hole out to get it up there, which is fine because I can kind of look through there and see what's going on outside. I don't know if it'll show up, but they fit. They work great. They got the shiny, just like a auto shade. You can see outside. We're sitting in a truck stop here, waiting to go load. All right, it's a little noisy out here, but we got loaded. We're getting ready to tarp. They have some unique requirements that they want me to do. So that pallet, they want stand up against that pallet right there, or the product. Not too sure what the purpose is of these things, but I'll throw a strap over them. They sandwiched a pallet in here, and then on the front up here, they want me to take these two pallets and stand them up, strap them that way. So, interesting. Never done it that way. I did ask them about putting that pallet in the middle, and they said that they don't do that. It has to be on the end. But I don't make the rules. I just play the game. All right, it's gonna be interesting. Run that strap up through the hole and around to keep it up there.
Alright, we're up here. They gave you these V-boards I gotta put on. So I put those V-boards on. See what they look like. I'm gonna swap this one around here. Oh, hang on a second. See how that wood's little on this side. Sorry about that. Alright, that looks better. Alright, now that we got all the V-boards on, straps are on, we'll go down and tighten everything up. Alright, I've done everything the way they've asked for it to be done. Only thing left is put the tarp on. So I got the pallet in the back with the strap around it, and if you see, I ran the strap up through the hole of the pallet, that way it won't slip off. I got these things right there for that. This pallet's holding these on there, so I don't need to worry about that. V-boards across the top, and got the pallets in the front. Like I said, this is all their idea with the pallets like that. I guess they've had issues with them load moving around. Alright, next thing, the easiest thing is tarp. So we'll get the tarp, throw it over there, roll it out, and we'll be done. Alright, we're done. Took about an hour from the time I got over here. So the reason, hey, I'll say, let me put this down. The reason I want that one pallet in the middle, or I'd like to have it in the middle, just makes it easier to tarp. See how ugly it is back here? Or if you put it in the middle, it squares out everything. The tarp rides real nice. So hopefully we got enough back here. It's not going to be flopping around. But we're done. Okay, I got to go have somebody come out and take a look at this so I can get my paperwork, and then we're going to get out of here.
Alright, we made it over here to the Welcome Center in Oklahoma on I-40. I'm going to take Bailey out. They got a nice big grass lot over there. What's she here? Oh, okay. Walking his dog. I'm going to make a cup of coffee first. I take my 30-minute break, but I'll still have 39 minutes. But I got 8 hours and 39 minutes left of driving today. But she hears that dog. Our goal today is Amarillo. If we can get to Amarillo tonight, I can make it home from Amarillo tomorrow. Alright, let me get my coffee started, and then we'll go out and double check, make sure our load's riding good. I got my little tiny coffee maker. Got the generator running. I thought about going ahead and taking a shower, but I'll wait. I'm gonna have to take another 30-minute break somewhere. So I'll probably wait till I get on the other side of Oklahoma City. But I want to get my coffee going here. That can be brewing while I take her out real quick.
Man, it's starting to get hot out here. Hot herb. Alright, it's starting to get hot out here. This looks pretty good. Flopping around a little bit right there. Go to the other side and check. Make sure our straps are tight. Good. All right. Our straps look good. Load looks good. Dorsey trailer's doing good. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put the axle up. We got 20,000 pounds on the trailer. Should be all right. It might be close. We'll see what happens. Let's put the axle up. I had 21 on the trailer, and what are the odds of that happening on camera? That bungee just broke. The heat tears up these bungees. Alright, I got an extra one in the side box here. I got a whole bunch of extra ones, but I got one in the side box. What are the odds that that bungee would break? I don't know if you guys can see it. So there's the water tank. I've already ordered the new tank. I believe it's leaking down at the bottom, but it's leaking down at the edge. And then if you can picture where that tank's at, so there's a seam right here. See that seam right there? And that water is leaking across that seam and running down under the wood. And it's coming out between this seam and this seam. So that's why I said I'm about 90% sure that's my problem. The tank actually is not very expensive. It's about $100 even with the shipping for the tank. And these rails or bars for the bed do not come off. You can see they're welded right there. So I'm gonna have to take everything out, and hopefully this tank will slide over far enough I can pull it out right here. That's the plan. I get all my junk out of here. Also had a thought putting another tank if I think I was going to run out of water. Finding a tank that'll fit in this hole right here. Slide in there. Another thought I had, making that a water tank, because that's empty. All kinds of thoughts. I do too much thinking when I'm driving down the road. Alright, let me fix this bungee real quick. Alright, let's see how that does. Man, I was only out here for a couple minutes. Already sweating. Alright, let's get across Oklahoma and get this over with. Alright, it's about 10 o'clock at night. We made it to Amarillo. We just got here. We're out walking Bailey. Since it's not hot out, I don't take her out during the day on the blacktop because it gets too hot. But I do take her out in the grass. We're at what do they call this? This totem truck stop, I think. Here, usually got parking. It's not too bad. It's somewhat of a flat lot. Nice, easy parking. Truck's doing good. I must not be overweight on that axle because I went through the Oklahoma scale and they didn't say anything. Alright, I'm going to walk her a little bit. We'll call it quits for today.